Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then come to this list, you click on your name and you come to your profile, then you go above this sign, click on it. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down and you click here on account settings. So then come to this list, you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time. Then you click here on notifications. So and you come to this list here, you click here on posting and commenting here, click on it. Come to this list, you come to allow post related notifications, click in this sign. The like you see this color show for us, that's been enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.